Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a firmware update on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or your Garmin Venu. Both of these watches are extremely similar, and they both can have the firmware updated on them using the exact same method, so I figured I would do a combination video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do on either of the watches here is hold down this bottom right button until the menu opens up to get into the settings. So hold that down for just a second or two, and you'll see the menu come on. Then with the menu open, simply scroll down to the bottom until you see the gear, select the gear, and then we'll be in the settings. From here, we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom until we see System, and go ahead and select System, and then scroll down until you see Software Update. It's the second to last one near the bottom, so go ahead and select that. The watch will sync with Garmin via our phone or Wi-Fi if you have that connected on the watch, and then it will let us know if there is a firmware update available for our watch. So if there's no software update available, it'll just bring you right back to the settings. But if there is one available, it'll come up, tell you the version number, and then ask you if you want to install it. From there, you would simply select yes, and it'll go through, take about 5 minutes to install the update on your watch. Real quick, before we finish the video, if you want to see the version of firmware you currently have on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or your Garmin Venu, simply go to the bottom right under Software Update, select About, and then in there you'll see SW versions, select that, and then it will show you the software version at the top. It's currently 3.8 on both the Vivoactive 4 and the Venu. So that's how you perform a firmware update of the Garmin Venu or the Garmin Vivoactive 4. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.